Learning Biblical Hebrew Interactively, Unit 1. Through the course of this unit, you will learn several useful expressions, including introducing yourself and inquiring how someone is doing. The Hebrew title for Unit 1 is HaShalom Lach. HaShalom Lach means, how are you? As you may have noticed, the textbook is divided into units. Units, in turn, are divided into modules. There are 3 modules in Unit 1, modules 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. For their part, modules are divided into segments. Segments are designated by successive Hebrew letters. The first segment is numbered 1.1. Alef. The second segment will be numbered 1.1. Beit. Let's begin then with Module 1. Segment 1.1. Alef. Shalom. Shalom. In this textbook, the vocabulary that you will want to commit to memory will be introduced by one of 2 headings. To illustrate this, we'll turn briefly to segment 1.1. Vav. Some words will be listed under a heading, Words for Responding. Others will be listed under a heading, Words for Hearing. Generally, you will find these 2 headings adjacent to each other, as in this entry in segment 1.1. Vav. While you should learn words appearing in both types of lists, whether words for responding or words for hearing, there is a slight difference between them. Words for responding, milim la'anot, tend to be higher value words in terms of the dialogic activities or the grammar of the segment in which they appear. Also, vocabulary lists titled Words for Responding tend to be limited to 10 entries. Aim to learn these words for responding so thoroughly that you will be able to recall them and use them in conversation or composition. Words for hearing, milim lishmoa, often will exceed 10 entries. These lists contain a mixture, both of commonly occurring words, and also words which, although they may occur seldom in the Hebrew Bible, are words that we will need for a particular activity or a particular episode in the serialized story. You will want to memorize words for hearing, but not to the level of rapid recall needed for words for responding. Rather, learn these words for hearing so that when you hear them spoken or encounter them in reading, you will be able to recognize them. Segment 1.1. Alef. Words for responding. Milim la'anot. Milim la'anot. There is only one word for responding in this segment. The word shalom. Shalom. In Hebrew, all nouns are gendered, either masculine or feminine. Shalom is masculine, indicated by the italicized letter M. Take time to learn the gender of a word as you are memorizing its meaning. Knowing the gender of a word will become important when you want to say more about that noun, whether describing its quality, such as a great piece, or describing what it does, such as peace rested on them. This concludes segment 1.1. Alef.